ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। वेदांत परिभाषा on page 199. There is something called abhivyanjaka and there is something called vyangya or abhivyangya. अभिव्यंजक व्यज्यते अनेन इति व्यंजक and व्यज्यते इति व्यंग्य. So abhivyंजक, this topic was there. Abhivyंजक means that which illumines, and abhivyangya means that which gets illumined. So that which illumines is abhivyanjaka. That which gets illumined is abhivyangya. So if we say Chaitanya illumines the Vishaya, Ghatadi, then Chaitanya is abhivyanjaka. Ghatadi are abhivyangya. This is one thing. But if it is said Chaitanya is present everywhere, unmanifest, and that unmanifest means it is not known. It is Jnana Swarupa, but it is not known. Then Ghata will make that Jnana Swarupa Chaitanya express as Ghata Jnanam. So Chaitanya will become Abhivyakta, and therefore Chaitanya is Abhivyangya, and Ghata will become Abhivyanjaka. Ghata becomes the revealer. Revealer means it will become nimitta for Chaitanya to become manifest. Then Vishaya will be called what?
Abhivyanjaka.
Abhivyanjaka. Vishaya will become Abhivyanjaka then. And Jnanam will become Abhivyangya. So if you see on page 197 in Tika, in Mulam, last line. सच संबंध विशेषो विषयस्य जीव चैतन्यस्य च व्यंग्य व्यंजकता लक्षणः. संबंध विशेष between विषय and जीव चैतन्य is व्यंग्य and व्यंजक. So Vyanjaka, Vyangya will be Vishaya. Vyanjaka will be Chaitanya. This is one way. Chaitanya will illumine the Vishaya. Or Vishaya will make that Chaitanya express as Tadakar Vritti. Okay, just for a clarification, we had already seen this, but wanted to make it clear. Now you see Tika on 199, Tatra Sammatim Aha. So, the purpose of Vritti is taken as Sambandhartha Vritti is one mata. And Antakarana Avarana Abhibhavartha or Avarana Abhibhavartha iti Anyamatam. One is Vritti is required for Avarana Abhibhava. Second is Vritti is required for Sambandha. Taduktam Vivarane. Now Vivarana Mata is said. Antakaranam hi स्वस्मिन् इव स्वसंसर्गिणी अपि घटादौ चैतन्य अभिव्यक्ति योग्यताम् आपादयति इति. अंतःकरणं हि स्वस्मिन् इव स्वसंसर्गिणी घटादौ अपि चैतन्य अभिव्यक्ति योग्यताम्. So chaitanya becomes abhivyakta. How? In this case, in antahkarana when it expresses. So then Chidabhasa is available. Now Chaitanya is available. Not only that, if Ghata is in Sambandha with Antakaranam through Ghatakara Vritti, then in that Vritti also Chaitanya Abhivyakti takes place. So now you have Antakarana, Abhivyakta Chaitanya and Antakarana Vritti Abhivyakta Chaitanya. Abhivyakta means in that Pratibimba Rupena. Because in Vivarana, it is Pratibimba-vada. Tika. So see, Ghatadau Chaitanya Abhivyakti Yogyatam Apadayati. Ghata by itself does not have Chaitanya Abhivyakti Yogyata. But when it comes in contact with Antakarana, which has the ability of Chaitanya Abhivyakti Yogyata, then Swa Sansargini Ghatadau. Swa means
Antakarana
Sansargini Ghatadau. Just as in one's own thing also, it has the ability, it will lead or pass on the ability to Swasansargi also. Tika. Nanu aswachasya dravyasya pratibimba grahitvam na drashtacharam iti ashankya aha. Aswacha dravya like ghatapatadi, so they don't have the ability to express or manifest Chaitanya. अस्वच्छ द्रव्यस्य प्रतिबिंब ग्राहित्वम न दृष्टचरम. Drashtacharam, there is a pratyaya called charat. like drashtacharam न दृष्टम इत्यर्थ. भाष्य I mean मूलम दृष्टंच अस्वच्छ द्रव्यस्यापि स्वच्छ द्रव्य संबंध दशायाम प्रतिबिंब ग्राहित्वम. अस्वच्छ द्रव्यस्यापि स्वच्छ द्रव्य संबंध दशायाम. अस्वच्छ द्रव्य लाइक घट आदि, स्वच्छ द्रव्य लाइक अंतःकरण. When aswachha dravya like ghatadi, when they have sansarga or sambandha with swachha dravya like antakarana, then pratibimba grahitvam drashtam. They also will have the ability to get pratibimba of Chaitanya. Tika. ननु दृष्ट घटादेर स्वच्छ द्रव्यस्य चैतन्य अभिव्यंजकत्व दृष्टान्तस्य वक्तव्यत्वे प्रतिबिंब ग्राही कूड्यादि निदर्शन प्रदानम असंगतम इति आशंका. घटादेः अस्वच्छ द्रव्यस्य, घटादि यार अस्वच्छ द्रव्य. सो चरट प्रत्यय सूत्र इज भूतपूर्वे चरट. We give the दृष्टांत like आड्यचर, सुकुमारचर, like that दृष्टचर. घटादि are aswachha dravya. How do they get chaitanya abhivyanjakatvam? This is what you have to say. Instead, you are talking about pratibimba grahi kudyadi nidarshana. Nidarshana drishtanta. Kudya means what is kudya?
Like pond. Well,
Not well, wall. Kudya means bhitti. On the wall, pratibimba grahi kudyadi nidarshana pradanam. You are giving the example of a wall getting the reflection. This is asangatam. This is inappropriate. Iti ashankya. यथा कुड्यादेर जलादि संयोग दशायाम मुखादि प्रतिबिंब ग्राहिता. This is the drishtanta. Kudyadi like the wall etc. They get the ability to reflect. Only mirror should be able to reflect, not a wall. But if the wall is able to reflect, when if you make the wall, like if you do the oil paint on it and then you throw some water on it, oil paint also will make at least some reflection possible. If there is water also, you can see a lot more of reflection. So that's why he gives jaladi sanyoga dashayam. Mukhadi pratibimba grahita. The wall will have ability to reflect. Ghatadehe abhivyanjakatvam cha tat pratibimba grahitvam. Ghatadi will have abhivyanjakatvam. Ghatadi will become
Abhivyanjaka.
abhivyanjakaha. Shashti if you remove abhivyanjakaha. Ghatadehe abhivyanjakatvam. So abhivyanjakaha cha, what is ghatadi becoming abhivyanjaka? Tat pratibimba grahitvam. Now it has the ability to reflect consciousness. Chaitanya Pratibimba is possible. That is called Ghatadi became Abhivyanjaka of Chaitanya. Chaitanya Abhivyaktatvam cha tatra Pratibimbitatvam. And Chaitanya becoming Abhivyakta means Chaitanya is now Abhivyangya. What does that mean? It has become Pratibimba in Ghatadi or in Antakarana. इदंच वृत्तिं विना न सिद्ध्यति इति तादृश संबंध प्रयोजकता तस्याः इत्याह. इदंच वृत्तिं विना न सिद्ध्यति. Idam means this Chaitanya becoming Abhivyangya and Ghatadi becoming Abhivyanjaka means in Ghata Chaitanya becomes expressed. How? Not without Ghatakar Vritti. So that's what he says. Idam cha vrittim vina na siddhyati. Without Ghatakar Antakarana Vritti, Ghata will not be able to become Abhivyanjaka. Iti tadrisha sambandha prayojakata tasyaha. Tasyaha
वृत्तेः
वृत्तेः तादृश संबंध प्रयोजकता. तादृश संबंध प्रयोजक will become the vritti. Vritti will have prayojakata. संबंध between अंतःकरण and घटादि. इत्याह एवं एवं and vidha should be one shabda. Keep it in maunam, mute. In your book, it is evam vidha, one shabda, or evam and vidha separate?
one
In my book is evam vidha abhivanjakatva siddhyartha eva.
No, my question is, evam and vidha are samasta pada or asamasta pada?
समस्तपद.
It should be samasta pada only. Evam vidha means evam vidha abhivyanjakatva siddhyartham eva vrittehe aparoksha sthale bahir nirgamana angikara. Evam vidha in this way इस प्रकार से अभिव्यंजकत्व सिद्ध्यर्थम अभिव्यंजकत्व कस्य विषयस्य विषय विल बिकम अभिव्यंजक अभिव्यंजकत्व सिद्ध्यर्थमेव वृत्तेः अपरोक्ष स्थले बहिर्निर्गमन अंगीकारः. In the aparoksha sthala, vritti will have bahir nirgamana. So in the aparoksha sthala, like pratyaksha, what we call, vritti will have bahir nirgamana. Ghatakar vritti will go to bahir desha. This is the prakriya of pratyaksha jnana. परोक्ष स्थले तु वन्यादेर वृत्ति संसर्गा भावेन चैतन्य अनभिव्यंजकतया न वन्यादेर अपरोक्षत्वम्. In the paroksha sthala, like Vanni, vritti samsarga is not there. Vritti will not have sambandha with the Vanni in the Parvata. So, sambandha abhavat chaitanya anabhivyanjakataya. Paroksha sthala is not chaitanya abhivyanjaka, it is anabhivyanjaka. Na vanyadehe aparokshatvam. Vanyadi will not have aparoksha. Vanyadi's aparoksha jnanam will not happen. So they will not become aparoksha. Tika. ननु वृत्तेर एवं विध संबंधार्थत्व अभ्युपगमे कथम घटादेर अपरोक्षत्वम्. वृत्तेः एवं विध संबंधार्थत्व अभ्युपगमे. Whence the vritti has sambandha in this way. एवं विध संबंधार्थत्व अभ्युपगमे कथम घटादेः अपरोक्षत्वम्. Vritti, if there is sambandha, how does that make ghatadi aparoksha? And how do they make Agni, Vanni, paroksha? This is the question. If vritti, sambandha, antakarana vritti and ghatadi sambandha, if you accept just by that how ghatadi has aparokshatvam, विषयस्य प्रमात्र चैतन्य अभिन्नत्वम अपरोक्षत्वम इति उक्तत्वात्. विषय is when it becomes one with pramatra chaitanya abhinna. So Purvapaksha says Vishaya should become pramatra chaitanya abhinna. Here all you are saying is antakarana vritti becoming one with the ghatadi vishaya. So how ghatadi is aparoksha? What is aparokshatvam? Earlier it was explained. Vishayasya pramatra chaitanya abhinnatvam iti uktatvat iti ashankyaha. Etan mate, in this mata, etan mate cha vishayanam aparokshatvam chaitanya abhivyanjakatvam iti drashtavya. In this mata, what is aparokshatvam of Vishaya? Chaitanya abhivyanjakatvam. In the earlier, in Pratyaksha Paricheda, aparokshatvam was Pramatra Chaitanya abhinnatvam. Or in the previous mata also, this is how it must have been explained. Pramatra Chaitanya abhinnatvam aparokshatvam. But here it is Chaitanya abhivyanjakatvam. So there where the Vishaya has the ability to make the Chaitanya abhivyakta, then that is aparokshatva. There where the Vishaya does not have that ability, like the Vanni, then it is paroksha Vanni. Vanni means Parvatiya Vanni, which is not seen by us who are here down. Vanni is up somewhere in the Parvata. Those who are actually living in Parvata, for them it is Pratyaksha. For them that Vani will become Aparoksha only. Idam upasamharan matantare sambandharthatva upapadanam pratijanite. Idam upasamharan. Concluding this topic, matantare, in the other mata, sambandharthatva upapadanam pratijanite. Sambandharthatva upapadanam. Another sambandha. Its pratigna he is going to do. So two things. This getting concluded, upasamhara. Next one, the matantara sambandharthatva pratigna. So that is given. Evan jivasya aparichinnatve api vrittehe sambandharthatvam nirupitam. Earlier paksha was jiva is
अपरिच्छिन्न
and the vritti was for
चैतन्य व्यंजक
वृत्ति
विषय चैतन्य व्यंगी
वृत्ति removes जाड्यत्व in Ghatadi and enables Pratibimba Garana.
avarana abhibhavat. Vritti is for avarana. When you speak, you have to speak clearly. Not you, the earlier person. You speak something and then before even the words become clear, your vakya is over. So our first was for avarana abhibhavartha vritti sambandha. If jiva is all pervading, then why do we need vritti? That was the question in the second case. Because jiva is aparichinna. Aparichinna means it is everywhere. If it is everywhere, it has sambandha with ghatapatadi, everything. So even if it is everywhere, that is samanya sambandha, it was. Vishesha sambandha is needed. For that vishesha sambandha, you need vritti. Now, idanim parichinnatva pakshe sambandharthakatvam nirupyate. Parichinnatva paksha. If jiva is parichinna, then for sambandha, how vritti is required, that is the next topic. Moolam. Idanim parichinnatva pakshe sambandharthakatvam nirupyate. Achha, this is Moolam Vakya. Tathahi, in Tika, Antakaranopadika. So Moolam says, Antakaranopadiko jiva. Jiva is Antakarana upadhihi yasya. Upadhir yasya saha Antakaranopadiko jiva. Tad pratibimbas tadavachinno va. Tad pratibimba or tadavachinna? This is the question. Antakarana pratibimba or Antakarana avachinna? Moolam tasya na ghatadi upadanata ghatadi desha asambandhat tasya jivasya na ghatadi upadanata. This jiva is not ghata upadana karana because jiva is parichinna and that jiva doesn't have ghatadi desha sambandha. Jiva is simita in Antakarana desha. Where Antakarana is, there only jiva is. In Ghatadi Desha, Jiva is not present. So then what is the Upadana Karanam for Ghatadi? Kintu Brahmaiva Ghatadi Upadanam. Brahma is Ghatadi Upadanam. In the Jiva Aparichinna Paksha, Jiva can be Ghatadi Upadanam. Jiva is all pervading. You don't need Brahma. But here it is Brahma. Tika. Tarhi asmin mate Ghatadi Upadanam kim iti pruchati. Then in this mata, what is Ghatadi Upadanam? Brahma. Uttaramaha Brahma eva iti. Nanu tasya vyapakatve api केवलस्य असंगितया कथं घटादि देश संबंध इत्याशंक्य शंका आशंक्य मीन्स शंकाम उद्भाव्य आशंक्य मीन्स शंकाम उद्भाव्य that even if it is all pervading Brahma Chaitanya, it is asanga. Kevalasya Brahmanaha asangitaya. How it will have Ghatadi Desha Sambandha? इति आशंक्य केवलस्य तद असंभवे अपि मायोपाधिकस्य मायाद्वारक संबंध संभवात् इत्या केवल ब्रह्म is asanga, it cannot have sambandha with ghatadi, but mayopadhika maya dwaraka sambandha is possible. तस्य मायोपहितस्य सकल घटादि अन्वयित्वात् मायोपहित चैतन्य इस सकल घटादि अन्वयी अतएव ब्रह्मणः सर्वज्ञता देयरफॉर ब्रह्म इज सर्वज्ञ सर्वज्ञम सर्वकारणम ब्रह्म इन तृतीय सूत्र बिकॉज इट इज शास्त्र योनि देयरफॉर इट इज सर्वज्ञ हियर बिकॉज इट इज सर्व पदार्थ अन्वयी देयरफॉर इट इज सर्वज्ञ because everything exists in it. In this way it is given here. Atah Brahmana Sarvajnata. Sarvajnata, it's Sarvam Janati. How it knows everything? Samanyatah. Everything exists in it. Mayopahitasya. Mayopahitasya, Tikakar says, Tad avacchinnasya tad pratibimbasya tad bimbasya va. Tad avacchinnasya और tad pratibimbasya means माया अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य माया प्रतिबिंबित चैतन्य और तद्बिंबस्य tadbimbasya means maya alone can be there as Maya will have what role if it is only Bimba? I will clarify this third part. Tad bimbasya. Another tika is there. माया अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य, ब्रह्म चैतन्य, और माया प्रतिबिंबित चैतन्य. This is the second one. Third one says tad bimbasya. I think tad bimbasya, tad avacchinnasya. Tad pratibimbasya. You can proceed further. We will come back to it. एतेन प्रकृते की मायातम इति अतः आह. Okay, so by this, what is the relevance of that in the prakrita? Means prakranam. तथा च जीवस्य घटादि अधिष्ठान ब्रह्म चैतन्य अभेदमंतरेण घटादि अवभास असंभवे प्राप्ते तद अवभासाय घटादि अधिष्ठान ब्रह्म चैतन्य अभेद सिद्ध्यर्थम घटादि आकारा वृत्तिरिष्यते. So then in this case, जीवस्य घटादि अधिष्ठान ब्रह्म चैतन्य अभेदम. Jiva, which is parichinna, as antakarana, as its upadhi, and ghatadi is in Brahma Chaitanya. Jivasya ghatadi adhisthana Brahma Chaitanya abheda. To create the abheda, without ghatadi Chaitanya or ghatadi adhisthana Chaitanya Brahma and Jiva Chaitanya, without them becoming one, ghatadi avabhasa asambhave prapte. Ghatadi avabhasa is not possible. Therefore, tad avabhasaya ghatadi adhisthana Brahma Chaitanya abheda. Abheda with Jiva. Ghatadi adhisthana Brahma Chaitanya and Jiva, for their abheda siddhyartham, ghatadi akara vritti rishyate. Ghatakar vritti is required. अंतःकरण उपाधिक चैतन्यस्य घटादि देश अनवस्थितस्य तद अधिष्ठान चैतन्य अभिन्नत्व अभावे. अंतःकरणोपाधिक चैतन्यस्य घटादि देश अनवस्थितस्य. अंतःकरणोपाधिक चैतन्य is not घटादि देश अवस्थित. अंतःकरणोपाधिक चैतन्य घटादि देश अनवस्थित. It is not there in घटादि देश. Therefore, tad adhisthana chaitanya abhinnatva is not there. Brahma Chaitanya and Jiva Chaitanya. Which Brahma Chaitanya? Brahma Chaitanya which is in Ghatadi Desha. That sambandha is not there. Therefore, aham ghatam janami doesn't come. Somehow that antakarana vritti, ghatakar vritti should go to Ghatadesha, and the sambandha between Jiva Chaitanya and Brahma Chaitanya should happen. So all these topics are we discussed and we have seen them in Advaita Siddhi. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।